Hello, how are you, World Wide Web? It's me, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. That guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning things I never knew and never knew. And I'm always sharing with future internet affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Guys, in today's cool little marketing tip, what we're going to talk about is YouTube videos, creating YouTube videos. And actually what I want to cover is how you can actually create content for your business. Okay, now you may be asking yourself, why would I want to create content for my business? That's a good question, guys. But the reason why you might want to know a little bit more about creating content for your business is because it's a great way to highlight the benefits of your products, services, and your business opportunity. There are 1,000 ways to share the content once you create it. It doesn't have to be via video. It can actually be through the written word. But once you've identified your target audience and your particular niche, guys, then you can start creating content for your business. I'm inside a real cool affiliate marketing tool that I use, and it's called the Keyword Explorer inside of TubeBuddy. If you guys haven't heard of TubeBuddy, you can go Google it. I'll actually leave a link in the YouTube video description area for it. But what I like about TubeBuddy is when it comes to creating content for your business, you can pick up a free membership inside of TubeBuddy, and then you can start going out and doing keyword research. Right now, you know what your particular niche is. So once you've connected with the Keyword Explorer inside of TubeBuddy, you can simply start doing keyword research based around your particular niche for your particular audience. Right? So you can see, guys, I just typed in how to create content for your business and got an excellent score, 85 out of 100. By the way, because there are countless thousands of people who are looking for ways or want to know how to create content for their business. And a lot of times you may think that it's very complicated. It's as simple as doing what it is I'm doing right now. Number one, know who and identify with who your target audience is. Number two, get on this particular software, Keyword Explorer, inside of TubeBuddy, and start doing keyword research, putting in the keywords that you want to put in to attract your particular audience. Does that make sense? Okay, so once you do that, guys, the Explorer is going to tell you, it's going to give you two different numbers here, right? It's going to tell you, or scores. It's going to give you a weighted score, and it's going to give you an unweighted score. Let's go back to the weighted score. The weighted score is very good. What is the weighted score? That's the score specific to my particular channel, built around my particular niche and what I talk about. Unweighted is a kind of more general score, but what they'll tell you is, or what they break down to you is, it's such a good keyword that it's probably cool for me to try to rank for that keyword. Thus, this is how you found me in the search engine on YouTube, because you either typed in how to create content for your business or something along those lines. Now, it's a very easy tool to use inside of the system. You guys really need to go check it out. Now, when I do this kind of thing, guys, what I do is I run over to one of 3 YouTube channels that I have, and I will actually upload the video, right? Upload the video with a cool thumbnail. This is a cool little marketing tip, right? Video 2 we're in right now, and voila, guys, my work is done. It takes me all of 15 minutes to do that. This is a great way to create content for your particular target audience, right? And if you're building a list, you can share the content that you're creating in 1,001 ways. You can share it by way of text messaging. You can share it by way of a Facebook post. You can share it via one of my favorite ways, email marketing, guys. Okay, if you have an autoresponder and a contact management system, then you can simply take this video, or you can go to your actual contact management system, your autoresponder, or just do a blast to your entire list, and share the content with them and connect and redirect a link that's clickable inside the body of the email, redirecting the person right back to where it is you want them to go. Whether it's a YouTube video, whether it's you talking more about your business, your product, your services, the benefits of it. So I hope you guys understand the power and the importance of creating content for your business. I hope you guys are ready to get out there and start rocking and rolling, getting hot, and start creating some content for your business. And remember, it doesn't have to be written. It doesn't have to be a video. It can actually be written. But I love video marketing. Video marketing is hot. You guys know how I roll, guys. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed my cool little $100. I hope that it makes sense to you guys. If it did, go ahead on and subscribe. Hit the bell when you do, guys, because every single time I do another cool little marketing tip, or any of the videos I do about affiliate marketing, techniques, tactics, strategies, resources that you can use to build and or grow your affiliate business, then you'll get updated of that YouTube video. Thanks so much for being on the video, guys. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.